In this instructional video, I will demonstrate how to enable the iPhone's LED flash for alerts, enhancing accessibility for individuals with hearing impairments. This visual cue provides a convenient notification for incoming calls and messages. To activate this feature, simply navigate to your phone's settings. Locate the accessibility options and select Audio and Visual. Scroll down to the LED Flash for Alerts option and ensure it is enabled. By following these simple steps, you can easily enable the LED Flash for Alerts on your iPhone.